Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be answering the question, and the question is, can you see who views your collection on Facebook? The first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our profile right here, right? Once we are on our profile, we'll see the collection right here, as you can see, which is our collection. Now what we can do is we can click on collection and we can pause, the collection or the story in this collection, and we can go to here, no viewers yet, because there are no viewers yet, but for you it could be different, right? So for you will see people, that viewed your featured item, and you will also see the people that viewed your collection this way, right? As you can see, we can see, go here on the second story, we could see the collection. Nobody has viewed our collection, but with you it could be different, right? And you can see the people and visit the people as well. Especially if you have a public Facebook profile, you will be able to see who views your Facebook collection. So this is practically the answer on, can you see who views your Facebook collection?